afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, today we are going to discuss about nature of the substance. Each and every substance has its own nature. Okay, now? So the nature of the substances are two types. One is acidic in nature and another one is basic nature. So a substance may have either acidic nature or basic nature. If does not has either acidic or basic, it has neutral nature. So it is a shampoo. This shampoo has either acidic nature or basic nature. Okay, now if this shampoo does not have either acidic or basic nature, now we told that it has neutral nature. Here is a lemon. This lemon is also either acidic nature or basic nature. If it does not have either acidic or basic, we confirm it has neutral nature. Okay? So how can we identify the nature of substance? How can we identify if this lemon has either acidic nature or basic nature? How can we identify? We can identify the nature of substance with the help of indicators, which are helps to identify the nature of substance by changing the color are called indicators. So these indicators are two types. One is natural indicators and another one is artificial indicators, which are called as natural indicators. Okay, so natural indicators are prepared by plants resources. So which are prepared, okay, now parts of the plants, those are called natural indicators, which are prepared in factories with the help of chemicals, those are called as artificial indicators. Now in front of us we have some natural indicators. Our students who you prepared some natural indicators. This is hibiscus juice. Okay, na? Hibiscus petal juice. This hibiscus petal juice is one of the natural indicators. This is turmeric powder. This is also we get from the plants, and this one is also we getting from the plants. So this one and this one means turmeric powder is also natural indicators. This is oleander petals juice. Do you know the oleander flowers? Yeah. So these oleander petals also belongs to plants. That's why these juice also natural indicator. This one is the beetroot juice. Who prepared this? Gopal, I think. So Gopal prepared this beetroot juice. This beetroot juice also natural indicator. This one is mango leaves juice. This mango leaves juice is prepared by who prepared this? As Varshini, Mother Varshini. This is also natural indicators. Now we have to identify the nature of substances. Is these substances have acidic nature or basic nature? Now let us do an experiment. Okay, right.